Okay, so I have done a video here before on International Drive. This is the Orlando heli tours, $25 a person, 4-passenger plus pilot on a helicopter. And there are so many helicopters here on International Drive, but this wasn't always a helicopter tour place. At one point, this was a railroad museum, a train museum, and they had a train that would go around the perimeter of this whole entire establishment. Inside, they had a museum. Well, I wanted to show this, and I wanted to show you guys some train tracks down the street. And I want to know if we can figure out what they were from and what used to be there. Now, let's take a closer look. So yeah, the train tracks were here, and they would go across the street that has been repaved. The train would come through here, and you can see the old tracks right here where it begins. It still goes down and curves right there. These are old train tracks right here from the train museum. Oh, I think one of the helicopters is coming back. I hear it. Is it back? Oh yeah, it's taking off, I think. No, it just landed. Dang. That's crazy. By the way, Travis is here. Yeah, these train tracks here next to this Corvette. Isn't that cool? And it went around that restricted area and all the way around the building here. And inside, like I said, is where they had the museum. I did a whole video on this. Check that one out. That's not why we're here today. I just needed to start here. So those train tracks are here, but did they have another like small train attraction? Because I found some more tracks. We're gonna go over there now. Yeah, the train would come right around this area, like right along that fence, and cross over here, but those tracks have been removed as well. That used to be Race Rock right there, Dave & Buster's. Now on International Drive, that's like the only kind of transportation you're gonna see that's fun. No longer have trains. Now we've got to travel over to Sleuths Mystery Dinner Show place building. By the way, this episode is dedicated to my buddy Dan, who found the original tracks and let me know. Yeah, here at Sleuths Mystery Dinner Show Theater Place, there are some train tracks around back, and I'm trying to figure out what used to be here. Does anyone know? Got the Orlando Eye, or the, what do you call that now? What is it called? The wheel? The eye? Yeah, Sleuths Mystery Dinner Shows are great. There's all kinds of entertainment that happens here. It's a cool place. But around back, if you walk around the patio here, next to the hotel, you gotta keep going down towards the back side. Right over here is the garden room. I have actually performed there, as well as some friends of mine. Live music. I'd like to do that again soon one day. All right, back here, Travis. By the way, this is the back side of Sleuths here. I love like old school awnings like that. So cool. Sleuths, I love buildings like this. Just reminds me of classic Florida entertainment. And right behind Sleuths, like directly behind, you can see the indention where it's been built over with this new section. And these are either trolley or train tracks. A little different than the train tracks I show. Well, actually, they're kind of the same. And they continue straight into nothing. And this is the back side, like the bowling alley is like right over here, and then it rounds for Sleuths right over here. Does anybody know what these tracks could be from. And as you can see, they just disappear. And they go straight across, back towards Travis and the backside of Sleuths. This is the interesting thing right here. You can see where they had to really build this up over here, and it's starting to crack. Like, does the track continue? Is it over here?
No.
You checked it out?
I went and looked for it. I can't see it.
You checked it out, huh?
Taped over it or something.
Yeah. Most definitely. Or it didn't go straight ahead. It turned this way. This could have been the track right here, for all we know. That's the thing about train tracks. They can turn any which way, but I'm not seeing any more tracks over here, man. The mystery of the tracks.
Dun dun dun.
So I've been thumbing through a lot of my old pamphlets of International Drive 192 and things like that, and I don't know anything about an attraction here. Please help me find this, because I want to find out where this is from and do a whole video on those tracks. Yeah, it's weird. It just goes straight across right here. It could have curved and went straight down that way, which I'm gonna bet that's what it did. And when it came through here, it probably went around somewhere here, maybe before Sleuths. So if this did continue straight, I bet it would have gone down here. And if they, you know, built this up on it, I don't think we're gonna see any train tracks. We might see some straight ahead down here where this drops off, or they could go back across the street. I'm gonna continue down this road and see if there's anything. My only guess is, like, there used to be some sort of, like, I don't know, amusement park out here, maybe. Like, there's something trying to bite me, a gnat or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Had to be something.
But there was always like a trolley theme on International Drive. Maybe it was a trolley thing. Like, this is where they park the trolleys or something. I don't know. We need your help. Made it all the way down, and a little disappointed. This has all been repaved, as you can see. So we're kind of out of luck. Now, here's an interesting thing. Ripley's is right here. Did Ripley's have a train like they do, like a trolley or something like they do in St. Augustine? You are so hot. Dude, that's something you would never catch me doing, Travis.
Me either.
That's, now I get my kicks off of finding old train tracks. I don't get kicks off going where no man should go.
Those chains don't look thick enough to me.
Oh my gosh, they're all the way to the top. Way up there. Well, I'm glad I didn't stop the video, because Ripley's right there, believe it or not, there is more train tracks right here. Look at this. And they go right across. There's actually a split. I really need some help with this one, you all. What used to be here before this was the Charlie Steakhouse? Or, you know, was it a part of something else? But if we follow this. Okay, so obviously, Travis, it came down like this, the way I said, and then it curved here and would continue around, or it went straight across right here.
Yeah.
I don't know who.
Either way.
You could, but I wonder if we go straight ahead. Yeah, it does stop, like right in the middle of the street. Check this out. It just completely stops because they've added new concrete. Holy cow, dude. Yeah, they had to like cut it. Dang. On both sides there. That's crazy how it just kind of completely stops. Yeah, it could have continued around, you know, this general area. I'm thinking it was for something in here. And then the other one, maybe it went down International Drive here. Was there like an old school trolley system before they changed them to gas? Were they like an old school, like, you know, pull system. Yeah, there's nothing over here. Those tracks just disappear. And see, this says Ripley's parking here. Ripley's is over there, but no longer. So was this a part of Ripley's? See, did Ripley's like have like a little spot that had a trolley or a train? Seriously, if you know anything, comment. I'd love to do a follow-up video and kind of debunk, you know, what these train tracks were. And no, the train tracks end there, back on the other side of Charlie's. They do not continue on around here to the front of Sleuths. We need to solve this mystery, Sleuths. We need to solve this mystery. Well, Sleuths, this was pretty fun. Glad I got to show you guys this, and hopefully we can do like our friend up there is doing and look for more clues and figure this out. Let me know if you know anything. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.